Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing an updated room tour. So it's not going to be like a sit down video at all. It's going to be a little bit different. I want to share with you guys how I reorganized my room and how my room looks like now. The last time I uploaded a room tour was a long time ago and everything changed since then. So I want to share with you guys what my room looks like now, and I want to share with you guys some organizational tips that I found for my room that maybe you guys can use for yours. So without further ado, let's just dive right into the video. So right when you walk into my room, you're going to actually see this rug, and this is a gray fluffy rug that I got I think at Walmart, and it was like $20 or $30, so it's not that bad. And by the way guys, I'm doing a voiceover. I recorded this video already, but just the sound was really off, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover. So I'm just going to get straight into the video. So I'm going to show you guys my vanity, and then I'll kind of get into details about it. So this vanity was actually DIY'd by my mom. She kind of put it together. She saw on Pinterest. And so then moving on, I have these drawers on the side. I can't remember if I got them at Michael's or IKEA, but this is what they look like. I stacked two of them on top of each other. These are just these white drawers, and I love them. This is where I store all my makeup products. So if you guys actually want to see an updated makeup collection video, let me know because I would love to do it. So now moving on, I actually have a whole bunch of stuff on the top. I have this little pineapple wooden jewelry box where I keep jewelry inside. And then right next to it, I have these little fans, which I use for my skincare just to dry my face. And then right next to it, I just have a whole bunch of jewelry like necklaces and bracelets. And the way back, I have perfumes and lotions. Moving on, I have this little Bible scripture. It says, "You are fearfully and wonderfully made." I love that saying, so I just keep it there. And then next to it, I have this sparkle, shine, shimmer, glow little sign. And it just adds decoration on top of my vanity. So now for my vanity, I have this little square mirror that I have, and this is what my vanity looks like. I have this pink little bench right here. This actually does open up, and I keep all my bags in there. So that's very useful. And then in the corner back, I have just a little trash can. So now moving to my vanity, I have a mirror right there for what I want to do up close. And then moving on to my makeup brushes. So the first one on the left, I have just a whole bunch of makeup brushes that I don't really use. I don't really grab towards. And then these two, I got this from TJ Maxx, and then I just keep my makeup brushes that I do use. And then I have this little dish where I actually put my used eyelashes in here, like my falsies. So I just lay them there. I have this picture of me and my boyfriend in the back. It's just so cute. I got that picture frame from TJ Maxx as well. I have this little Lady Boss sign that I got from Dollar Tree. And then moving on to this corner, I have also this makeup brush holder. This one was also bought from TJ Maxx, and I keep a lot of my new makeup brushes in there. A lot of them still have the packaging, but those are just extra makeup brushes as well, and I have to tap into them soon. And then moving on, I have like this cute little Soul Sisters mug that my sister actually got me for my birthday. It's customized, so I love that mug, and I drink water out of it. And then also behind that, I have a little cute tumbler. This tumbler I got from Starbucks. I love it. It's one of my newest Starbucks cups, and I also fill this up with water and drink from it once in a while. And then behind it, I also have this little thing where I keep all my little cotton pads, I think they're called. I just use that for toner. I have some cotton swabs right here and this little glass thing. I also have these cute little Trinket boxes right here, and I actually keep jewelry inside of them. So like this one, I have some bracelets and little rings, and then the other one, I have some friendship bracelets that me and my boyfriend made. So those are just kind of cute. I got those from Dollar Tree. Also, these cute little acrylic drawers I got from Dollar Tree. I just organized my jewelry in there, and it works perfectly, so I love that. And then I have a box of tissues because you always need tissues, and so that's kind of just what's there. And then when you open up this little drawer, it actually has a whole bunch of makeup products. I just keep a lot of my makeup in here, like lippies and eyeshadows and stuff like that. Okay guys, so moving on to this corner, this is actually a new addition. In the past, I only had those drawers, but now I added these ones. This was $97 on Amazon, and I just keep like random stuff like hair accessories and deodorant and contact solution in those drawers. I almost use it like as a nightstand. So now I'm going to move on to what's on top. So this is actually new since I just got these drawers. So I actually got these two little pink things. This one is actually a Lazy Susan from Amazon, and it was literally $8. So it was really cheap, and it does turn. And then I got this stand, which was actually $5 in the dollar section at Target, and I just use it for all my skincare products. Sorry if you guys just heard my dad in the background, but anyways, so like I said, I have a whole bunch of skin products. I also have like a little spray bottle and just stuff like that for my face. I have primer and setting sprays, so all that good stuff. And then now moving on to the back of it, I actually have this little crystal lamp, and I used to have a lava lamp, but it didn't go with my room, so I decided to buy this one. I got this one at Walmart for like $20. It's kind of pricey for a little light, but I like it. This one does actually adjust, so you can make it brighter and darker, so that's what I really like about it. It's perfect at nighttime if I want a little bit of light, so I love that. And then let me just move this out of the way. And so in the back of this, I actually had this little plant that I got from Target. It's a little vase and a cute little leaves that I added in it, so that I got at Target for the decoration. So now guys, I'm going to move on to my bed. So this is what my bed looks like. I'm actually going to start off with the top of my bed. So I have like these little streaming lights and then a whole bunch of pictures. All these pictures are just pictures of me, of my friends, and me and my sister, and some with me and my boyfriend. I just love those pictures, so I just kind of hang them for decoration at the top. And then right here, I have my headset. I think that's what it's called. That one's pretty new, so I bought that. And then I also got this bed set. This one was actually from TJ Maxx, and I really wanted like a pink one to match my room. And these pillows, these white fluffy pillows, I'm actually not sure where I got them. My mom actually bought them for me, so I'm not sure where she got them. I have this little pink blanket that I also got at TJ Maxx for my bed. So, and also I have these little stuffed animals, guys. This is like my little animal family. I have so many stuffed animals because my boyfriend gives me them and I collect them, so I just keep them on my bed. So I have like this cute elephant that he got me for Valentine's Day, also these little ones. I have this little shark, a little donkey, and a little giraffe. These are just so cute and they're my favorite. And this little moose on the side. So those are just my little teddy bears and I just love them, so that's that. Okay guys, so moving on, right next to my bed, I actually have this in the corner. It's like a little white shelf thing. I got it at Target for like $30 or $40. It's really good because it does organize all my stuff. So at the way top, I have these dried up flowers. My boyfriend would actually give me a lot of flowers all the time, so I wanted to dry them up and keep them. So that's what I did, and I use them for decoration. And now moving on to the shelves. So the first shelf, I have these little organizers. The plain pink ones I actually got at Dollar Tree, and then the containers that are clear with the pink lid, I got them at Target, and they were like a 5-pack for $5, so really cheap. And then I love using them to organize my stuff, and I actually got these little labels from the Dollar Tree, and I just label everything so I know which is which. These are just so useful, guys, in organizing. I really recommend them. So that's how I organize mine. Like I have electronics and like cleaning supplies and all that stuff. This one, I also have another pink organizer, and this one says extra face mask because I have so many face masks, guys, so I just keep a whole container for extras. And then I got these little white little baskets from the Dollar Tree, and they have different shapes. So that one's like a circle and this one is like a rectangle. These are so useful, guys. So I use mine to organize like my hand sanitizers, you know, especially during this time. It's especially good to have those. So I keep all my Bath & Body Works and random Germexes in there. And then moving on to over here, I have this pink bin that I actually got from Target. It was kind of expensive. It was like $5, but it's a really big bin and it's really pretty. I keep all like my water bottles and tumblers and mugs in there. I have so many, guys, so I just store them all in there. So those are all like my mugs and stuff like that. And then moving on the next shelf, I have tons of craft stuff. So I have more of those pink containers or organizers that I carry a whole bunch of arts and crafts and paint and stuff. I've been doing a lot of crafts since quarantine has been happening. I just have random stuff in there. I also have like this pink little basket that I carry a whole bunch of Dollar Tree craft things that I got as well. And this little tie-dye kit because I want to do tie-dye shirts soon. And then the bottom one is kind of just like an extra shelf where I just keep a whole bunch of random stuff. Like I have some bags in there that I want to do a Dollar Tree haul with. So that's that. So now moving on to this corner, this is where I carry all my nail polishes. So this is my nail polish rack. I actually take pride in this because I have so many nail polishes I've collected over the years. I bought a lot of them as well recently. And then I also have this cute little wall sign that I got at the Dollar Tree, which I think is kind of cute. And so now moving on, I have my curtains. I kind of want to upgrade because these ones are so thin that the sun shines through so bright, but those are my curtains and stuff, and they do match my room. So under my curtains, I actually have this little rack. It's like a little shoe rack that I got at Target. I think this was $20, but I keep a whole bunch of my extra shoes in there. I have so many shoes, so I just put them there. And then in this corner, I have my quinceañera dress. There's literally nowhere else to put it, so I keep it in my room. And then I have my cap and gown when I graduated high school last year, so I have that. And then I have a whole bunch of like these pictures that I saved. Like that one's for my graduation and people signed it. And this little one is from my boyfriend for Valentine's Day. And then also for Valentine's Day, he did me this little heart. So I just have that on my wall. And then right here, I have this little like hook thing where I keep all my bags. These are like my go-to bags. So first I have like my little North Face backpack that I use for school. I have a Steve Madden backpack. And then I also have other two bags. This one is the recent one that I just got from Amazon. I love that bag. And then my other Steve Madden little side purse. And those are just like my go-to ones, like I said. So I love those. And then right here, I just have a little white chair and like this random box that I got. And then moving on to over here, this is my mirror, and I love this mirror. It's right next to there. And these lights are actually DIY'd by my mom. She made them. I get a lot of questions about them. My mom completely 100% made these, so you can't buy them, sadly. But she did such a good job. I love those lights. Next to the lights, I have like this little flower decoration. I have my car keys right there, and then I have like these medals for when I graduated high school. They're just nice, so I just hang them right there. And then so now moving on to this corner of my room, guys, this is probably my pride and joy. I just finished organizing all of this. All of this is brand new. I had to reorganize it because my other setup was not nice. So this is what it looks like. So for this section, I have like these two white shelves that my mom added. These were from Lowe's, and so she just made them. They're little shelves. So for the first top shelf, I have these little signs. This one is a wake up and makeup, and that one is from Ross. And then that one is a little painting that I did. I painted that one all by myself. It's a little Powerpuff Girl, and she's just so cute, so I painted that. And then right in this corner, I have these scrunchies, and it's like in this gold basket. I got that at Dollar Tree. And kind of going along with that, I found these rectangle baskets, and these are also just like the basket, the circled one. These are from Dollar Tree as well, and they're so gorgeous, so I use them to actually store my containers in them. So this little blue box, I got that one for pictures for me and my boyfriend in there for like memories. And then these gray containers are almost like the pink ones. They have a marble print lid, and those are from Dollar Tree as well. And again, I just organize stuff with those. So moving to this set, I have a cute little piggy bank that I got from Dollar Tree, just a little cute pink thing. And then the back of it, I have a marble print water bottle for decoration, but I do use it as well. I have a Polaroid just right there with some refill in the back. I have this little sign, again from Dollar Tree. It says, "Do all things with great love," and a little flower plant in the back. So moving on to the next shelf, I actually have my eyeshadow palettes right here. And guys, an organizational tip I recommend is you can use a dish rack to actually organize your eyeshadow palettes. So I bought the dish rack at Dollar Tree. It was only $1, and I organized my palettes like that. Of course, this is not all my eyeshadow palettes, but these are some of my favorites. So I have those in there. And then right next to it, I have this little mason jar thing that I got from Dollar Tree as well. And I keep my cotton swabs. I have this little plant that I got from Target. And this white little shelf thing that I got from Dollar Tree. And I have these little acrylic organizers that I actually keep like school supplies or like office supplies in. I have post-it notes. I have like some staplers, glue sticks, and markers. And then on the side, I have a little flamingo tape dispenser. I have this little sign that says Proverbs 31:25, which is my favorite Bible scripture. So I love that. And then right behind that little sign, I have these little cup holders, and these are actually yet again from Dollar Tree, and I store all my pencils and pens in there. And then right here, I have this little road trip fun mason jar, and I actually keep spare keys in there. And then in this pink little organizer, I got this from Target, and I keep all my books and journals and like my Bible. I have some notepads in there. I just keep all that stuff in there. I have a Forever Enna sign, and I have a little scent thing. And then I also have my TV and my little calendar right there. I also have this cup holder to put all my pens for my calendar. So now moving on to the bottom, I'm going to share with you guys what it looks like. So I have this white little fluffy chair, and the lid actually does open up. So I keep a whole bunch of like my online school stuff like binders and books. At the top, I have this random container that I just have random stuff. I have these white drawers, and let me tell you guys, I love these. I just got this at Target, and this was like $20 or $30, and they open up like this. I completely keep all my nail stuff in there. If you guys don't know, I do my own nails. I do my own acrylics and stuff, so I keep all that stuff in there. And then at the top of it, I have another thing in the back where I keep a whole bunch of like nail filers and like my acrylic brush and stuff like that. And then in front of that, I actually have this cute little plant, again, that I got from Target for decorations. And I just love it. I just keep it there. I have this little Beauty Blender washer. It's a mini washer. And I love that. I got that for my birthday, so I keep that there. And I have my favorite, which is my skincare fridge. It's my mini skincare fridge. I love it. This is where I keep all my skincare products inside. So when you open it up, it looks like this. I have tons of my face and skin products. I have a whole bunch of face masks in this little thing right here on the door. I just love this skincare fridge, guys. It's seriously the best. It's really good if you guys are into skincare, and it just works the best. So I really love that little mini skincare fridge I have. So moving on from my little mini skincare fridge, I have this 10-piece little drawer thing, and I got this at Michael's. I honestly just organize random stuff in here. I just kind of have like a cumulative of stuff like craft stuff, just a whole bunch of random stuff, receipts in that drawer, and just tons of stuff. And then actually at the top drawer, I actually keep my laptop. I have a pink HP laptop and like the charger. And then this gold basket at the top, guys, it actually matches the other gold baskets that I just showed you. This one was from the Dollar Tree, and I keep like my online notebook and then like a little planner because it's just easy to grab. So guys, that's basically the end of my little room tour. So that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. I hope I wasn't too shaky because it was a little hard to record this video just because I had my phone. I was trying to like have the lighting perfect and everything. Hopefully you guys got the gist of what my room looks like. If you guys made it this far in the video, make sure you guys comment down below because I'd love to see who actually made it this far. Make sure you guys thumbs this video up if you actually enjoyed it. Make sure you guys turn on the post notifications so you guys can get notified anytime I post. Thank you guys for the love and support. I truly appreciate it. And I will just see you guys in my next video. Bye!